going on, everybody? Everybody. It was raining all day today. I relocated some lights. So I took, because I've got these lights, 2 section of lights, but now I have 3. So I've got the front up here, dimmable. I've got what I call the back section right there, dimmable. I pulled one puck light from each and installed them over there in the back, so that when I'm outside, I can access right here. Ozzy, watch out. And I could turn on lights, which is pretty cool because if I'm like in bed and I just want a small amount of light, then I can. Pretty much just gonna do some miscellaneous van shit, so it's gonna be a pretty short video. But yeah, I'm just gonna start knocking shit that I haven't finished out. So let's get to work. Pushing this off and pushing it off and pushing it off. Let's finally install this last window frame. Actually, before we do that, we need to finish making this section. So let me grab a piece of wood that goes from point A to point B. Probably like a 1x2, 1x3. And then take some measurements so we can fill in this gap with some planks. Alright, now I'm gonna grab 3 planks. Luckily I got a big ass plank already painted, which is why right here, already painted, ready to go. Heck yeah. So I'm gonna take that, cut some pieces. Damn, the sun's out now. So last night I extended this 12-volt outlet. I'm gonna install it back over here, along with this dimmer switch. So I extended that, installed these lights for the back section here, and yeah. I got the last panel trimmed up. I'm using the charger back here, which is awesome. I like it back here. So now we're just gonna slap this bitch in. So I forgot to route this up through here and down there, because that's where it's gonna go. Plus I also need to put some sort of protective sleeve over this edge to protect the wires. So I found some sort of mat you put in like cupboards so things don't slide. Wrap it around here, tape it. Let's either use that or this sound deadening stuff. So I think we'll see if this goes well. Probably need duct tape. So I wrapped that sound deadening and I think that works a lot better than this. I don't know. Well, I guess it's already done. I just need to cover this and that. All right, that's perfect. Got all the electrical protected. Boom, boom. All right, let's get this frame mounted. Got the window frame carpet stapled. I'm just gonna grab, I've got so much insulation. I barely made a dent. Wait, is that? Yeah, oh my gosh. Yeah, these vans don't need a whole lot. Cause, you know, look at that. The windows take up about half the wall space. All right, got my insulation. We're just gonna stuff it within the edges. Probably leave this open until we put the walls up and back here. Officially freaking done with all these window frames. Look at them all. Damn. Yeah, this was the best one I made so far. The least amount of screws and mess ups. There's literally 3 screws holding this on, and it's the sturdiest one. Actually, they're all sturdy, but don't want to scratch them. But hell yeah. All right, now I can move on to dealing with this. It sucks I marked out the wall though. Every single window cover has made some sort of mark. Wonder if I should frame these. That would be cool, but I got better and more important priorities. I should paint the rest of my window covers, actually. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm definitely gonna cover this and this and this up with some sort of fabric, whatever I decide. And only because it's such an odd shape, it's got an odd bend to it. I I need to be able to cover up the hack job of cutting the panels in such weird shapes. So I've got an idea. And we're gonna drill some small holes and like hold the fabric in with these fasteners, you know, like this, or you know, probably something like this. With a clean face. I need something like this, but thinner and smaller. Oops, like this, but not so chubby. But yeah, that's the plan, Stan. So tomorrow, I'm gonna go to Joann's, probably pick up some fabric. I don't want to use colored. Oh, I like the fur idea. I just don't want there to be too much color, is what I'm saying. Like too many different colors. I like earthy colors. You know, more dark colors, dark blues, dark reds, blacks, you know, stuff like that. Otherwise, I might use that burgundy fur. I don't know if I've shown you guys. Look at this. I kind of like it. It matches the maroon. Or is this burgundy or maroon? This might be maroon, but it matches my favorite tapestry. I might use this, but yeah, we're gonna go take care of that. I'm gonna head home and do some research on what I need to finish the plumbing on my H2O compartimento. But I appreciate you guys hanging out, watching this simple van shit video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.